We're gonna go this way, down there. Let's see how's the hiking track, because it just rained a while ago, so I guess it's gonna be tough and little slippery. So let's go. Okay, so this is a track. We're going down there. Let's see. Just walked, I think, 100 meters, and the place is lovely. So we rescued a butterfly which was stuck in a spider web. That was something good.
What is that?
Go. Well, and then the track keeps on going like this, further down to the zoo, and then there's a chairlift. It's lovely. You see a lot of nature, a lot of beautiful things. It's awesome. You should just come over. You'll enjoy a lot. One of the best places I've ever seen.